Alright. So I know everyone's been interested. Here it is. The Emerson fern leaf. So first thing I noticed was that the coils are intact. That is just some of the paper coming off right there. So I don't believe there is a coil issue. The second thing, while we have the ball, there is no coil in there. So no speed coil, but the ball is there. That is loose. I'm not sure if that's supposed to turn or not. The one thing that does not turn though is the rotor. I'm sure it's because it's all kinds of rusted in there. And see all kinds of fun stuff. You can see all the rust down there. So I'm sure it's just rusted in there. There's a tag. I'll turn it over carefully. There's our hook. Poor canopy's seen better days. So, another project, but very awesome project. Thanks for watching.